Hi, this video is about how to create a hole on a panel, or in this case you want to make a frame like this. So we are in System Cabinet module. I'll drag out a basic unit, change the size, then search for flat in the library. Scroll down to the library and you will see this flat wall panel. Drag it out and place it in front of the basic unit and it will auto stretch to fit the size. Now press B to enter port selection, then right click on the panel, select panel point editing. If the hole is a rectangle, you can just use the open hole rectangle and draw according to the dimensions. The cursor will snap according to the step number of 50. Okay, so this is a hole. If you would like to change the size of the hole, you can just click on it and change size either on the right window here or here. Alright, click save and back. So we are done. Happy trying. Bye.